Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about the different roles of HR. Human resource is the backbone of any organization, driving its force and ensuring suitable growth. HR professionals are not just responsible for managing employees, but also plays a pivotal role in alignment of talent management with organizational strategic goals. Their work ensures compliance with labor laws, fosters a positive work culture, and contributes to the overall business success. HR will differ significantly based on the organization's size, structure, and nature. For instance, a startup might have a single HR manager handling all responsibilities, while a large corporation may have a dedicated HR team with specialized roles. Let's delve into the diverse roles of HR professionals typically fulfill across industries in India. Different roles of HR. In this video, we will explore the key areas of human resource that are crucial for every organization. Each of these topics will be discussed in detail in the later part of this video, where we will be discussing about the key responsibilities and different roles of HR by providing you with the valuable insights into the effective human resource management. As this video is very lengthy with large number of topics, we are going to cover all the topics in 5 different videos. So wasting no time, let us see what all topics will be covered in 5 different videos, and in this video we will be covering 3 different roles and responsibilities in HR, and in the upcoming videos we will be covering the remaining different roles and responsibilities of HR. Let's see what are the topics we will be covering in total and what topics will be covered in this video. Recruitment and talent equation. Here we will be discussing about how organizations attract, source, and hire the right talent to fulfill their workforce requirements effectively. Then we'll be discussing about employee relations, where we will learn how HR professionals build and maintain harmonious relationships in the workplace while resolving conflicts and fostering collaboration. Then we will discuss performance management, where we will understand the process of setting performance goals, evaluating employee achievements, and ensuring alignment with organizational objectives. So these are the three topics or the three different roles and responsibilities of HR we will be discussing in this current video. And in the upcoming videos, we will be discussing about training and development, compensation and benefits management, and compliance and legal. These three topics will be covered in the second part of this video. Then comes HR policy development, employee engagement, and payroll management. These topics will be covered in the third video. Then we will be discussing about workforce planning and strategy, HR analytics and reporting, employee health and safety. These three topics will be covered in the fourth video. Then we will be covering the grievance redressal, HR technology implementation, and industrial relations. These three topics will be covered in the fifth part of this video. So wasting no time, let's get into the video, which we will be covering recruitment and talent acquisition, employee relations, and performance management. Recruitment and talent acquisition. Recruitment and talent acquisition form the cornerstone of building a successful organization. It involves attracting, sourcing, and hiring the right resource who can contribute to the company's growth and success. Beyond simply filling positions, talent acquisition focuses on long-term workplace planning and aligning hiring practices with business goals. The recruitment process requires a blend of strategy, interpersonal skills, and technology. From understanding the organization's staffing needs to ensuring a seamless onboarding experience for new hires, recruitment and talent acquisition professionals play a vital role in shaping an organization's future. Below, we will delve into key responsibilities within recruitment and talent acquisition and various roles that contribute to this critical function. Key responsibilities in recruitment and talent acquisition. Sourcing and attracting candidates. Recruitment professionals use job boards, professional networks, and social media to find potential candidates and build a stronger employer brand to attract talent. They also engage passive candidates and maintain a pipeline of prospects to ensure a steady flow of qualified candidates for current and future openings. Managing the hiring process. Recruiters manage the entire hiring process by screening resumes, coordinating and conducting interviews, and assessing candidates' skills and cultural fit. They also handle offer negotiations and strive to provide a positive candidate experience throughout, ensuring a smooth transition from application to hiring. Onboarding new employees. A seamless onboarding process helps new employees feel welcomed and prepared. This involves creating an onboarding schedule, ensuring necessary documentation and system access, and providing initial training to help them adjust to their roles and company culture efficiently. Collaborating with department heads. Recruitment professionals work closely with department heads to understand staffing needs and develop hiring plans that align with departmental and business goals. This collaboration ensures that recruitment efforts are targeted, effective, and contribute to the company's overall strategy. Different roles under recruitment and talent acquisition. Talent acquisition specialist. A talent acquisition specialist focuses on finding and attracting the right candidate to join the organization. They don't just fill vacancies but ensure the best fit for each role by understanding the company's needs and culture. Their work involves searching for candidates on job portals, LinkedIn, or other platforms, building a strong candidate pipeline, and convincing the best talent to join the organization. They play a crucial role in enhancing the company's reputation as an employer. A recruiter or senior recruiter. Recruiters are the bridge between company and job seekers. Their day-to-day activities or tasks include reviewing resumes, shortlisting suitable candidates, conducting interviews, and coordinating with the entire hiring process. Senior recruiters typically handle more complex roles or lead recruitment efforts for critical positions. They ensure candidates have a smooth experience throughout the hiring process and aim to bring the best talent on board. Recruitment manager. The recruitment manager takes recruitment on a strategic level. They lead a team of recruiters, set hiring priorities, and implement strategies to meet the organization's staffing needs. They analyze recruitment trends, manage budgets, and collaborate with departments heads to plan hiring goals. Essentially, they ensure the recruitment team works efficiently and aligns with the organization's objectives. Talent acquisition head. The talent acquisition head oversees the entire talent acquisition function. This role involves setting long-term strategies for recruiting and retaining talent that aligns with the company's goals. They manage recruitment operations, handle key relationships with external recruitment partners, and focus on building employer brand. Their responsibilities often extend to workforce planning, ensuring the organization has the right talent in place to meet the future needs. Vice President of Recruitment. The Vice President of Recruitment is a senior leadership role responsible for shaping the overall recruitment vision of the organization. They develop and execute long-term talent acquisition strategies on a global scale. Their focus includes building robust recruitment frameworks, integrating technology to streamline hiring, and fostering diversity and inclusion in the recruitment process. They work closely with to ensure recruitment aligns with the company's growth and strategic objectives. In conclusion, what we can say is recruitment and talent acquisition are more than just processes. They are the strategic initiatives that directly impact the organization's success. By aligning hiring practices with business goals, human resource professionals in these roles ensure that the right talent is in place to drive innovation and growth. From entry-level recruiters to executive leaders in talent acquisition, each role contributes to the building of strong, capable workflows that aligns with the company's vision. Employee relations. Employee relations is a key HR function that focuses on fostering a positive, supportive, and harmonious workplace environment. It involves managing relationships between employees and the organization, addressing concerns, and ensuring compliance with workplace policies and labor laws. A robust employee relations strategy can significantly enhance employee satisfaction, productivity, and retention. HR professionals involved in the employee relations play a critical and crucial role in maintaining open communication, resolving conflicts, and ensuring employees feel valued and heard. Let's explore the main responsibilities within employee relations and the roles that contribute to this essential HR domain. Key responsibilities in employee relations. Handling employee grievance and resolving workplace conflicts. HR professionals act as mediators and address and resolve disputes between employees, listening to grievances and finding solutions that align with company policies while ensuring employee satisfaction. They also facilitate conflict resolution training to equip employees and managers with the skills to handle disputes constructively. Maintain a positive and harmonious work environment. HR professionals foster trust and transparency between management and employees, encouraging open communication to build an inclusive culture. They implement employee engagement activities to boost morale and promote collaboration, ensuring a positive and harmonious work atmosphere. Conducting exit interviews and improving retention. Exit interviews are used to gather valuable feedback to understand why employees leave the company. Analyzing trends from exit data helps HR develop strategies to improve retention and provide actionable insights to the management for creating a more appealing and supportive work environment. Addressing workplace safety, discrimination, and harassment. HR ensures compliance with safety regulations to protect employees and respond to complaints related to discrimination or harassment swiftly and effectively. They organize training programs that promote diversity, equity, and inclusion, fostering a respectful and safe workplace for all employees. Roles under employee relations. Employee Relations Officer. An Employee Relations Officer is the first point of contact for employees seeking assistance with workplace issues or concerns. They address day-to-day queries about policies, handle minor grievances, and ensure employees feel supported. Their work involves resolving interpersonal conflicts, clarifying company policies, and creating a harmonious work environment. They are instrumental in maintaining supportive, positive morale across the organization. Employee Relations Specialist. The employee relations specialists focus on fostering a positive and protective work environment by managing disputes and providing expert advice on HR policies. They step into mediate conflicts and between employees and the management, ensuring fair outcomes. They also conduct investigations into workplace incidents, advise management on improving workplace dynamics, and often lead efforts to enhance employee satisfaction. Employee Relations Manager. The Employee Relations Manager oversees the entire employee relations function within an organization. They handle more complex workforce issues and ensure all HR policies and practices comply with the labor laws. Their responsibilities include supervising employee investigations, implementing company-wide initiatives to improve workplace culture, and provide training to managers on effective communication and conflict resolution. They aim to maintain a balanced relationship between workforce and management. Employee Relations Head. The Employee Relations Head is responsible for shaping the overall employee relations strategy. They focus on creating policies and practices that promote a constructive relationship between employees and the organization. Their role includes advising senior leaders, leading efforts to build trust and transparency, and driving programs that address employee concerns proactively. They ensure that employee relations initiatives align with organization broader goals. Director of Employee Relations. The Director of Employee Relations holds a senior leadership role guiding the strategic direction of employee relations for the entire organization. They focus on long-term initiatives such as improving engagement, enhancing workplace satisfaction, and resolving disputes effectively. Their work involves monitoring industry trends, developing innovative policies, and collaborating with other leaders to create a suitable and harmonious workplace. They are key to driving organizational success through strong employee management relations. In conclusion, what we can say is that employee relations is not just about resolving conflicts, it is about creating a workplace where employees feel respected, supported, and valued. From addressing grievances to promoting a positive workplace culture, HR professionals in employee relations plays a vital and pivotal role in maintaining harmony and trust within the organization. Whether it's handling day-to-day queries or leading strategic initiatives, every role in employee relations contributes to building a cohesive, motivated, and productive workplace. Performance Management. Performance management is a core function of HR that focuses on assessing and improving employee performance to achieve organization goals. It involves setting clear objectives, monitoring progress, providing feedback, and recognizing achievements. A well-structured performance management system not only boosts individual productivity but also contributes to team cohesion and overall organizational growth. HR professionals in professional management are responsible for designing and executing strategies that align employee performance with business objectives, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Let's dive into the key responsibilities in performance management and the roles that support this function. Key responsibilities in performance management. Designing performance appraisal systems and processes. HR professionals develop systems that evaluate employee performance in an objective and fair manner. They ensure that the appraisal process is transparent, consistent, and aligns with the organization goals. Customization of these systems for various departments or job roles helps tailor the process of specific needs. Setting key performance indicators, that is KPIs and objectives. HR collaborates with department heads to set measurable KPIs that align with individual goals with broader team and organizational objectives. Regular monitoring of progress against the KPIs ensures employees remain accountable and their work contributes effectively to the organization's success. Conducting performance reviews and feedback sessions. Performance reviews meetings are organized periodically between employees and their managers, providing feedback, constructive feedback that highlights strengths and areas for development. Two-way communication is encouraged to address concerns, align expectations, and foster a supportive environment. Managing promotions, rewards, and recognition programs. HR identifies high-performing employees for promotions and rewards, creating recognition programs that motivate and retain top talent. They ensure that the processes for the rewards and promotions are fair and transparent, contributing to a culture of appreciation and performance excellence. Roles under performance management. Performance Management Specialist. A performance management specialist focuses on ensuring the smooth execution of performance appraisal processes within an organization. They work closely with managers to help them evaluate employees objectively, provide feedback, and set performance goals. Their responsibilities include training managers on appraisal techniques, monitor performance data, and suggesting improvements to the evaluation process. This role emphasizes fairness and accuracy in performance reviews, ultimately supporting employee growth. HR Generalist. An HR generalist with a focus on performance management handles a wide range of HR duties but places special emphasis on overseeing the organizational performance management systems. They coordinate appraisals, track employee performance, and ensure alignment between individuals' goals and organizational objectives. They may also assist in policy formulation and address employee concerns about evaluation process, balancing their generalist responsibilities with performance-related expertise. Performance Appraisal Manager. The Performance Appraisal Manager is responsible for designing, implementing, and managing the organizational performance appraisal system. They ensure the evaluations are consistent, transparent, and linked to career development plans. Their role involves analyzing performance appraisal outcomes to identify training needs, rewards to top performers, and address areas of underperformance. They work closely with department heads to ensure that the system aligns with organizational culture and goals. Head of Performance Management. The Head of Performance Management leads the development and implementation of the organization's overarching performance strategy. They focus on ensuring that all performance-related activities, from goal setting to appraisals, align with the company's long-term business objectives. They collaborate with senior leadership to create culture of continuous feedback and improvement and ensure that the performance management systems are fair, motivating, and effective. Director of Performance and Talent Management. The Director of Performance and Talent Management operates at a strategic level, overseeing both performance evaluation systems and employee development initiatives. They manage employee growth strategies, identifying high potential talent for succession planning, and ensure that the performance and talent management processes support organizational scalability and innovation. Their work involves integrating performance insights with broader talent strategies to build a strong and capable workforce. In conclusion, what we can say is that performance management is not just about appraisals. It is a continuous process that involves setting expectations, providing feedback, and fostering employee development. Effective performance management creates a culture of accountability, rewards excellence, and aligns individuals' efforts with organizational success. The professionals working in this domain, from specialists to strategic leaders, play a vital role in ensuring that performance management contributes to employee satisfaction and organizational growth. So dear friends, hope you understood the first three roles and responsibilities of HR, that is recruitment, talent acquisition, employee relations, and performance management. So in the next part of this video, we'll be covering the next three roles and responsibilities of HR. So friends, if you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.